Now you're recording.
The friends and
Okay.
everything about
Now
it.
you're on record.
So,
Okay.
okay, sure. At first, I don't know, I think I'm the luckiest girls and here to have you all. The very friendly and beautiful people. I get really unforgettable memories here. And I don't know, it cannot be described by words.
I would like to deliver my deepest thanks to Andino because since I came to Brunei, he was the one who helped me so much for everything, like for if I could rank the people who was very nice to me in Brunei, it would be him, the first. And yeah, for all my friends, they're also like very friendly to me. I have very, very nice experience here in Brunei, so yeah. Yeah, I will be like thanking him the most because he is the one who helped me.
Good job, Andy.
So, Adino, do you have anything to say to that?
He's a man of few words. The spokesperson is not here.
Get the cake, everyone.
And he doesn't like to be in the spotlight, that's fine.
Rekam. Udah. Berhentiin gimana? Berhentinya ini kan.